Hi everyone, today's tip is on how to save posts that you want to read later, posts on LinkedIn. I'm often scrolling through my news feed and I see a post that really resonates with me, that is educational, inspirational, and I want to save the post. Let's look at this post. For instance, this post is by one of my members of her Success Society, Hope. And maybe I want to read her post later or refer to it. So I click on the three dots in the right-hand corner of her post, and you can see the save in the drop-down box. You can see save. So I click on save for later. Okay, and her post is now saved. So the next step is, how do I access those posts? Maybe you've saved a bunch of posts and now you have a little time to read them, or there's a particular post that you want to, look at for reference, or, they shared something in that post that will be helpful in with whatever you're doing currently. So how do you find those saved posts? So you go to your profile. So on your newsfeed or homepage, you go to me, you click on view profile, and then you scroll down on your profile page till you get to your resources section. And sorry, I just skipped it. So you see your resources just below, it's almost below your profile introductory card. So you click on resources, it'll say creator mode, my network. So click on show all 6 resources. And then you'll see my items right at the bottom of the 6 sections of your resources. Now this could change as LinkedIn changes stuff constantly, but I'm assuming it'll continue to be in the resources section. So you click on my items, and then you see your saved post in the left-hand job. You see your saved post in the left-hand column, and you click on that. And then you can see these are all my posts. Now it'll say all, you can see save posts, you can also save articles. The one issue is that it doesn't let you categorize your posts, right? So the only way I can find posts that I've saved is by scrolling down through all my posts and then looking for a particular post. Hopefully that will change, and LinkedIn will create the ability to save posts by categories or to search for posts by filters. But for now, this is the way for you to save posts and to access them. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section of this video. Thank you so much for watching this, and good luck with saving your posts. Bye for now.